Hello community, today we're going to discuss the quartile of the ungrouped data. So first of all, what is quartile? Quartile is this line. Quartile is a score points which divide the distribution into four equal parts. So for example, uh, we have a line, a straight line here, and then we're going to divide it by four equal parts. So divide it by here, here, and uh, uh, and then here. So let's say, for example, this is 0 and this is 100. So, so if we divide 100 by 2, that would be 50, right? So the 50 here. So the 50, since we divide by 2, since this is a straight line, and we divide it by 2, so 0, 100 divided by 2 would be 50, right? And then, now, here, 0 to 50, we're going to divide it by 2, so that would be 25. And then here, 50 to 100, we're going to divide it by 2, which is 75. What I mean by divide it by 2 is to add this one and then divide it by 2. So the reason it is called a quartile because they are equally distributed into four equal parts. That is what quartile is. So first of all, this one is quarter 0, in which is 0, which is equals to the base of the data, quarter 0. And then in the quarter 1, the, day, the, the value would become to 25. And then in the quarter 2, the value becomes 50. And the quarter 3, the value becomes 75. And the quarter 4, the value becomes 100. So, technically, this is a quartile. So the best example for this is we're going to proceed to the example of the quartile of ungrouped data. So we have an example here. So during the month of August, Dr. Cruz recorded the number of COVID-19 recovered patients who came out of the hospital each day. The results are 14, 10, 12, 9, 7, 5, 8, 9, 14, 10, and 11. So find the lower quartile and the upper quartile of the data. So since this is ungrouped data, we're going to arrange first the data into ascending order, which is from lowest to highest. So if we're to arrange the data, we're gonna start with the 5, then 8, right? Uh, then 8, then 9, 9, 2 nines, right? Yeah, 2, 9, then 10, then 10, and then 11, and then 11 is 14, 14, then 14, then 17. Is this all the data? Yeah, this is all the data. I know, I forgot 12. I forgot 12. 12, and then 14, then 14, then 17. So in total, we have how many data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have n is equals to 11. So what are we going to find is the lower quartile. The lower quartile, the lower quartile is divided by 4. So here, 1 and Q2 and Q3. So the lower quartile is of course the quarter 1, which is the Q sub 1. And then the higher quartile or the upper quartile is the quarter 3. So since we're going to find the lower quartile and the upper quartile, we're gonna solve it using this one. So we have 11 sets of data, right? We have 11. So if this is our data, then we got an even number, even. So our quarter 2 of this data is located on the 6th position, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our quarter 2 is 10, which is our quarter 2. Because, because here, this is our quarter 2. So quarter 2 is equals to 10. This is our quarter 2. Why? Because, as I said earlier, it is divided into 4 equal parts. So, if this is, for example, if this is 0 and this is 100, so and our n is 11, if we're going to divide it by 2, so the only left here is the quarter 2 because it is in the middle. So this is of course the quarter 2 since this is an odd number. So our quarter 2 is so next in spotting the quarter 1. So we're gonna focus on these numbers to get the quarter 1. So if we're going to count here 5, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 position, right? Yeah, we have 6 position. So in order to get the quarter 1 or the lower quartile, right? We're going to locate the middle or the median of it. So 6 is equals to, no? 6 is equals 6 in this one, let's say n1. So 6 is an even number. We already know how to get the the median of an even number. So if we're going to locate the middle here, so 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. So our middle here is the middle between of these two data, which is 9 and 9. So our quarter 2, our quarter 1. So to get the median for it, we're going to use the formula. Let's say quarter 1. Ay, to get the median of it, we're going to use the formula median here. So the median of an even number is to add this both. So 9 plus 9 over 2. So which is equals still to 9. So our quarter 1 is equals to 9. So this is our lower quartile. So now, we're going to get the upper quartile. So let me erase this to make it clean. So starting from 10, we're starting from here on the 6th position, 10, to the last position, which is 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. still even on the this value. So on this set of data, even. So we're still gonna use the same formula, which is 2 plus the add add the both middle number and then divide it by 2. So here is our middle number. So 14 plus 12 over 2, in which is let me- in which is 14 plus 12 equals to 26. 26 divided by 2 would be 13. So quarter 3. So this is our upper quartile. Equals to upper. And that is how you get the quartile of ungrouped data.